Hey guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. In today's video, we are doing yet another project that has needed to be done for a while. There are some trees here that need to be taken down. So we're gonna try to do that without having the trees fall on the solar panels. So let's see what happens.
Tree's full of holes and it's dead. Be careful. Breathing problem. Right there, as high as you can. Just wrap it like here. Yeah, put it above. So. This is gonna go. This thing will go through that. All we get up. I need to get above. I just gotta grab it and help. Let me tighten it up or no? Yep. Move it up as high as you can.
So I guess the plan is to keep tension on it at the four-wheeler?
Yeah, that way it don't go that way. The solar panels.
Yeah. Pull it down, Gavin.
Alright, now I gotta get the chainsaw.
Do you think that this is gonna turn out good or bad?
Good.
Okay. You have faith. How about you?
I think it'll go good. I hope it goes good.
We never know around here.
Yeah. Last time we took down trees, it went good.
Yeah. It'll be fine.
Yes.
Huh?
That was a very confident.
Woohoo!
Was it going that way?
I don't know, it scared me. I'll have to watch the video again. I think it was for a second.
It looks like it was. Was the four running? Oh yeah. Did you back it up? Oh yeah.
Dad,
Yeah.
the whole thing, it like was turning.
I know. It was like twisting that way.
Yeah, I was pulling it. And then as soon as it went, shifted,
Yep.
it started to shift way that way, so I just backed up real fast.
That's close.
That was quick.
Good job.
exactly why we had 4 of them.
Yeah. You gonna climb it, D?
I'm gonna try.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure those ones aren't broke that he's... There you go.
As long as it's connected. Alright. There you go. Now, lift this up above you.
Yeah.
Yeah, hang on. And look this. And then here. Hit this. Wrap that around the tree. Yep, that one. Put it over the top of this little branch right here. And here. Go over the top of that little branch. Hand it to you. Yep. There you go. Alright. Yep, nothing down.
Okay, just don't drop, okay? Okay, you're good. Just hang on and bring your foot down. There you go.
He's not standing on anything.
I know. I've got him. Yes. Sometimes you just get easy feet and slide down.
That's what I was trying to do.
Alright. Grab the pull up a little bit again.
Come here, Dylan.
That one was gone.
right, that's a wrap for this video. We're going to just drag the tops of the trees out to the pasture and just burn them. And then these smaller little pieces over here is going to be perfect for the fire pit. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching along. Make sure you put in the comments if you thought this was gonna go good or bad.
It was close.
It was close.
A little bit of both.
A little bit of both. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and like and share our videos. Catch you on the next video.